How to add your location on Mobile Legends. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add your location to Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So initially, Mobile Legends already uses your location services as it is a multiplayer game. So what you can do here is not give it access, but you can change from where you play. So if you tap on your profile, that is on the top left corner, you will see your profile. So after you're on your profile, you can tap on this tiny icon that has your flag. If you tap on that, it's a really tiny icon. Just make sure that you tap on it. And after you tap on it, you will see this many locations from which you can fight for. So just choose a location for which you want to fight for. So initially you are on your country, that is mine is Nepal, so mine is showing Nepal. So if you want to change it, if you want to play for example Maldives, just select that, tap on OK, and as you can see right here, you will have to wait 3 months before you can change it again. So if you want to change your flag and from where you want to fight for, make sure that you can just get here, change it, and then you're good to go. That is how you can change your location on Mobile Legends, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.